In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a design using Canva and prepare it for use on YouTube. Let's jump right into it. To get started, head over to the Canva website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one by following the simple sign-up process. Once you're logged in, we'll begin by creating a blank canvas for our design. In this guide, we're using a square canvas, specifically sized at 1080 by 1080 pixels, which is perfect for social media posts, including those on YouTube community tabs. Next, navigate over to the Uploads tab on the left-hand side of your Canva workspace. Here you can upload images from your computer. Simply select the image you wish to use for your design. Once it has been uploaded to Canva, you'll see it in your Uploads library. To add your chosen image to the canvas, you can either click on it, which will automatically place it onto the canvas, or drag the image over manually. This gives you control over its placement. Now let's move on to an editing feature that many find incredibly useful: the background remover. You'll find this tool on the floating toolbar at the top of the Canva interface. By selecting the image and clicking on the BG Remover button, Canva will automatically erase the background, leaving you with a clean image to work with. This is particularly handy if you're layering images or looking to highlight certain elements of your design without any distractions from the background. After removing the background, adjust the image to fit perfectly onto your canvas. This could involve resizing, repositioning, or even adding additional elements to ensure everything looks balanced and appealing. Take your time with this step to make sure your design is just right. Once you're satisfied with how your design looks, it's time to save and export it. Head over to the top right corner of the page and click on the Share button. This will reveal several options for saving and sharing your work. For our purposes, we'll select the Download option. Within the Download settings, make sure to choose SVG as your file type. SVG is excellent for maintaining the quality of your design, especially if you plan on using it in various sizes or formats across the web. Also, check the option for a transparent background, which is ideal if you plan on overlaying the design onto another background on YouTube. Finally, click on the Download button. Your beautifully crafted design will be downloaded to your computer and ready for use. And there you have it. You've created a design in Canva and prepared it perfectly for your YouTube needs. Remember, the more you experiment with Canva's tools and features, the more creative and unique your designs can become. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!